Hello all. In the current session, we will be looking into the subsetting of data. And motivation to understand subsetting of data goes like this. Firstly, if there is a condition that our data set needs to meet, that is the time when automatically we will have lesser number of observations. Secondly, if at all we are having huge data set, we always look to get rid of the redundant observations. Therefore, it really helps us to optimize on the space front. And dataset we are using to showcase this particular example is the famous iris dataset. And to get it, firstly we are importing pandas followed by seaborn package, and lastly it's load underscore dataset, and inside parenthesis it's iris. We are having 5 distinct features that are present within this dataset. In this particular example, we are satisfying the first condition that we spoke about. And how to read it? It goes like this. There is a data frame by name data, and within that data, there is a column by name species, and over there, please fetch us all the observations that are equivalent to versicolor. And based on this condition, we will be getting this subset of data. So in this second example, we will look into the iLoc. LOC stands for location. So data over here is name of the data frame, and basically inside the square brackets we could see there is this comma. Whatever comes before comma, that goes as our rows, and post comma stands for columns. So 2 colon 44. 2 is the starting point of the row and 44 is the ending point. And within iLoc, 44 or the last observation is the exclusive one. So therefore we will be getting between 2 to 43 rows. And when it comes to column, we have written 0, and since Python is a zero indexed language, same thing is used here as well. It is again inclusive and 3 is exclusive. So ideally we are supposed to get 4 columns, but we are getting 3 since this 3 number is exclusive, and therefore we can see we are having 3 columns. We believe to add some value to your existing knowledge. Thank you for watching. Please go through other videos in the playlist.